Welcome guys with another interesting video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online by just listen to music. So this is the simplest way to make money online. When you work all the day and feel very lazy, so you will listen to music for getting some relaxation. And all the people listen to meditation and fixation music when they feel laziness after doing some work. So I will not prohibit you from listening this music, but I will recommend you a new way for listening music. If you listen music with this way, so you can generate a lot of money from just you listen to music. It is 100% free and have no need of any technical skills. So please complete watch this video and do not skip any part. But before I start this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos because we teach you the best and easiest way to make money online. So this is a website and its name is radioearn.com. This is the easiest way to make money online by just listen to music, and it's have not need any technical skill. You can earn more and more money because it is 100% free. You can join it easily from all over the world. You can use this website on your mobile phone and laptop and your computer. The earning process of this website is very easy and have only 4 easy steps to start earning. Step number 1. Sign up your account here. Step number 2. Now sign in your account. Step number 3. Start a radio or use API. Step number 4. Earn more and more money and pay out. Now let's go to the first step, that is sign up your account. Before we sign up for this website, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos because we teach you the best and easiest way to make money online. Now click here on the sign up button. This type of window will be open. Now you have to add your personal information here, like your username and then your first name, then your last name, and then your email address. Now add your password and then confirm password. Now you have to fill this CAPTCHA. My better half. After adding your account information, click on register button. So your first step will be completed successfully. Now let's go to the next step, that is sign in your account. So this is too easy. Click here on sign in button. Now add your username and password and then fill up this CAPTCHA. No stinking badges. Now click on login button. So your account will be logged in. Now you have to start using this website. So this is your dashboard. You can see your daily earnings right here. But now we need to start earning money here. So this is very easy. But before we start our first earning, I have to identify you with this website. So this is a new website and this is a worldwide service. You can generate income from any country and it have a quick payment method. So what are you waiting for? Just make your account here and generate more money here. Now click on my profile and add some of your information that else, like your first name, then your last name, then your zip code or postal code, and then your current password, and then click on change button. When you complete your profile information, click here on start earning, and then click on listen to radio. When you click this, so this type of interface will be open. Now you have to see 3 radio stations here. Select the radio you want to listen. A new window will be open here. Now you have to listen 15 minutes of music. When you complete 15 minutes of music, your earnings will be automatically added in your dashboard. On this way, you can listen more music and earn more and more money and pay out. This is the easiest and simplest way to make some earning. So what are you waiting for? Just make your account here and listen to music and earn more money with easy way. Before you leave this page, please give a like to this video and smash the subscribe button right now and press the bell icon for new updates. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please support us for your help in future.